I didn't do it. I don't know who did, but it wasn't me.
Please state your name and what you do.
My name is Daquan Sanders. I don't know what I don't know what I do. What do I even do? That's just a stupid question.
All right. Well, why am I interviewing you?
Well, everyone thinks I did it.
Did what?
The screens. It's a little bright.
Oh, it's definitely Daquan. That guy's an idiot. You just have to look at him.
Hey, y'all got a bathroom in here? I gotta take a big ass dump.
Oh my god, Daquan, he obviously did it. He's such an idiot.
What is your opinion on Daquan Sanders?
He's really stupid.
He's a bit of a meathead.
He's really dumb.
It's kind of cold out right now.
State your name, please.
Hi, my name's Gabe. Gabe Itch.
And what is your affiliation with Daquan Sanders?
Daquan is my homie. Nah, I've been boys with Daquan since we were kids. He wouldn't do that shit.
Why do you think they pinned this on you?
I honestly have like no clue. Like none. At all.
Daquan's a troublemaker. Nobody else would have done something like this.
Do you think the videos on Instagram of you vandalizing in the past would be a factor?
I mean, yeah, but that shit's funny. I wouldn't do any dumb stuff like that, especially at my own school, like with the computer screens.
So, what are you gonna do now?
I don't know. It feels like everyone's against me. You know, like maybe I'll call Gabe.
Oh, Daquan! What going, my guy?
Yo, dude, I need some help with this computer situation.
Yeah, man, I've been looking into it. Apparently the security footage was stolen. They're saying that you stole it and destroyed it.
What the frick, bro? That shit's whack. I never did that.
I know, bro. We gotta go talk to this janitor man and figure this out.
Alright, man, let's meet up tomorrow and confront this fool.
Yo, wait! What is going on here?
Where were you on May 26th at 11:03 a.m.?
Oh, well, I was cleaning out the boys' washroom because someone seemed to have overflowed the toilet, and I was just heading out for lunch.
Is it true that the only access to the security footage is in the janitorial office?
Yes.
Is the office always locked?
Usually, yes. But that day, Mr. McCracken had asked me to leave it unlocked so he could have supplies to clean his office.
So you're saying anyone could have had access to those tapes?
Yes.
Alright, that's all we need you for. Thank you.
Bro, why are we here? I'm so tired.
Bro, I have a feeling Mr. McCracken has it out for me. He's got the tapes.
You think?
Yeah.
Get out of here.
I'm back, bitches.